Suppose you have a column of numbers, with both positives and negatives. How to turn all the negatives into positives fast? Here are 3 simple methods. Method 1. Use find and replace. Select the range that contains negative numbers. Press Ctrl and H to open find and replace. In find what, type a minus sign. Leave, replace with, blank. Click replace all. All minus signs are gone, negatives become positives. But here's the catch. If your cells contain formulas with minus signs, they'll be removed too, and your formulas will break. Method 2. Use the ABS function. In a blank column next to the number list, type the formula. Press enter and fill down. All negative numbers turn positive, positive numbers stay the same. If you only want the results, copy the column. Right-click a blank cell and select Paste Special Values. The downside: you need an extra helper column, which isn't the fastest way. That's why I recommend a more practical method, Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the data range. Go to Kutools tab. Select Content. Change Sign of Values. In the pop-up, choose Change all negative values to positive. Then click OK. If there are formulas in your selection, a message box will pop up. Click Yes to process all cells, formulas will be cleared and results kept. Click No to only process non-formula cells. Click Cancel to exit. If no formulas exist, it converts everything right away. Here I select No to only process non-formula cells. All negative numbers turn positive. Super fast, clean, and no risk of breaking your data. Which method would you choose? Follow me for more Excel productivity tricks.